let's begin with the massive scandal that has rocked Karnataka. A DGP has been caught in a sex scandal with multiple videos doing the rounds that allegedly show him in a compromising position with multiple women. Ramachandra Rao, the DGP in these videos, is seen in uniform inside the official's chamber with multiple women. And in this undated 47-second video, Rao is seen in his office. Now remember, these are multiple women. He is seen in an objectionable act, all of it happening within the DGP office. This has, of course, caused a huge furor in Karnataka, all of it being filmed inside his chamber. And remember, previously, Ramachandra Rao had hit headlines after the arrest of his daughter, Rania Rao, on the charges of gold smuggling. And back then, the allegations were that Rania had used his influence to evade customs, though he denied these charges completely. Now, amid the entire video storm that has come in, there is also an audio that has emerged that shows the DGP in conversation with a woman. And this conversation, we warn you, is extremely explicit. The question is, a DGP, now suspended, yes, but all of this seen in his office. Take a look at this audio clip.
ಅದೇ ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅದ್ರ ನಿಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಕ್ ಮನ್ಸೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗಂತೂ.
ಹೌದು ಬಂಗಾಳಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತುಂಬಾ ಇದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಡೈಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ನಿಮ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಮ್ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅದೇ ಕೂಲ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕುಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂಗ್ಲಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕಿಚನ್.
Now, we've just played out one part of an audio. There are multiple audios, multiple videos which have now come out, and that has put the Karnataka government in a spot. The Karnataka government has been left absolutely embarrassment. One of the top cops in the city being involved in such an embarrassing scandal. The Chief Minister has taken cognizance of the matter and he has now suspended the DGP.
ನನಗೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಶಿಸ್ತು ಕ್ರಮ ಜರುಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಎತ್ತರದ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾನೂನಿಗಿಂತ ಯಾರು ದೊಡ್ಡವರು, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅದನ್ನು ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ.
My colleague Imran joins us on the broadcast. Imran, what is the action that has been taken against the DGP? He goes on to claim that these are all AI-generated videos and audios.
Well, of course, before the first part, he spoke on this issue. When media asked him, he said that it relates to 7 to 8 years back when he had gone for a conference in Belgavi, and those were the videos where it happened. And he says that many of the it pertains to that period, and the videos are where all AI generated and deepfake his claim. But there are multiple videos which have come out now. Even audio have come out of his conversation with this unknown lady, some of which we played, and you heard it from the thing, very explicit in nature. And after this, the DGP has been suspended. But the Women's Commission has also demanded a complete inquiry into this entire incident as to who leaked the video and the audios and who was responsible for it. And more importantly, they want to find out what happened to the woman, whether the woman needs any kind of counseling and help. And the state government should be able to provide all that necessary help to the women who are responsible. And if they want to file a case against the DGP, they should be given all kinds of support. An action taken report will also be submitted, is what the Women's Commission has said. But so far, the Kannada government has suspended the DGP and also for who was in charge of the housing. And now we have to wait and see what further action is taken. But this episode has entirely put the state police machinery and especially the state government also in the back foot because
Absolutely.
the DGP
it's
is already
extremely embarrassing, isn't it? This entire scandal from the top cop in Karnataka. Imran, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, we're shifting our attention